she's crying the whole time, resting, and then cries again, and then rests, and then cries again. But now you're in my arms, you're in my arms now. Yay! This is Lady Tree, because my brother named Lady 1, Lady 2, and then Lady 3. Yep, she's not crying anymore. Mm-mm-mm-mm. But again, because she's crying the whole time, 1:30 a.m. until 2, and then cries again at 3. Now it's already 4. What? I think 4:25 a.m. Huh? Huh, lady? Now you're not crying anymore? Hmm? You're answering now. Okay. Okay. Good morning.